Hello, my friend. Hope you're doing great. In this video, I'll show you how to manually charge a customer in Stripe. This is a crucial skill for anyone managing online transactions or operating an online business. By the end of this tutorial, you'll master manual charges in Stripe in just under 5 minutes. First, visit Stripe's official website. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. However, for this tutorial, let's assume your account is ready to go. Once there, locate the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page and click it to proceed to the login page. Enter your email and password associated with your Stripe account and click Sign In. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Stripe dashboard, which functions as the central hub of your Stripe operations. To get started, let's ensure you're on familiar ground by locating the Home icon. From there, navigate to the Billing section, where you manage all invoices and customer bills. Within the Billing section, find the option labeled Invoices. Click on this to access the page listing all existing invoices. To charge a customer, you need to create a new invoice. Look for the Create New Invoice button and click on it. Creating a new invoice involves several key steps. First, add a customer by selecting or inputting their details. Once the customer is added, include the product or service you're billing for. This could be anything relevant to your transaction needs. Don't forget to select any applicable taxes to ensure compliance and accuracy in billing. After adding your invoice items, click Save to store your progress. Next, set the invoice to automatically charge the customer. This means Stripe will handle processing the payment once it's set up. To do this, choose the Auto Charge Customer option. Then, input the customer's card details, ensuring accuracy to prevent transaction failures. Finally, schedule when the charge should occur. Click on Schedule Charge Date to select the most suitable time for the transaction. Once all details are confirmed, click Confirm Invoice, and there you have it. You've successfully learned how to manually charge a customer in Stripe. Keep in mind that understanding how to utilize Stripe's manual charge feature effectively can significantly streamline your billing process and enhance your business's operational efficiency.